Hi, this is Miguel from Universal Fans. Today I wanted to explain you how to put together all the accessories required for our new Fanco Habitat Central HRV unit. So to start with, the unit had 4 outlets, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Each of them are 150 connection ducting. You may start connecting with the insulating ducting with the 150 connection to put in place through any of the 4 outlets. This ducting will take you through directly to our distribution boxes. However, if you require or you have a bigger house, you may use the T-junctions in order to spread out and to have multiple distribution boxes and therefore more outlets, more ceiling vents and more ducting. The distribution box have 7 outlets to be connected with the end of hoses that we'll review in a minute. You can access to this by removing very easily the lids on top. However, you will require to have a connecting valve to put together the distribution box and the end of hose. These have a regulatory valve inside which will allow you to regulate the air coming in and out of the system. So you can put this very easily in place, and then removing the clamp, which is on one of the ends of this accessory, to put in position the flexible hose. The flexible hose is a 75mm ducting, which has an internal membrane to allow the air to run smoothly and faster throughout the system. So you will put this in position here, use the clamp very quickly, and the ducting and the hose are in position now. We may also provide you having fixing clamps for you to install and to keep still the flexible hose throughout the system in the building or in the house, and this will be connected or attached to either the ceiling, the roof or any cavity in order to have this right in position. Right by the end of the system, you will find the end of hose connection in order to connect the flexible hose and the ceiling vent at the other end. To connect it with the flexible hose, it has a similar system as the previous unit. So you remove the clamp, connect it to the hose, and this is in position again. Because the end of hose it has the opportunity to give the angle, you will be able to reach and to connect the ceiling vent with not much trouble into this end of hose, and put it in position either for the ceiling or whatever you wanted to install this unit. You can regulate also the air from the valve in order to extra regulate the airflow coming in and out from the unit. So this will be basically the basic connecting scenario, connecting accessories for our unit. However, if any given customer require you to have an extra level of reduction of the noise, you may use the silencer. The silencer can be connected at any of the 4 outlets out of the unit. They have 60 centimeters long and they have multiple membranes in order to reduce the noise even further. They can be connected directly to the unit, and then as per usual you will connect it with the insulated ducting to have the full connection that we just reviewed. So this solution will reduce the noise even further for customers that may require. Thank you very much.